Hey, it's Chris. I hope you're well. So, you're home mechanics, or you are always on the go, but still want to have a functional wheel training stand. This is Unior's portable wheel training stand. Let's check this out. Unior's portable training stand is made from special tool steel, which makes it extremely durable. It can stand alone on your workbench or be mounted with screws for further stability. It is compatible with hubs up to 157mm wide. It can be used with wheels from 16 inches to 29 inches, with or without a tire. To use the training stand, start by installing the hub's axle into the slots. To compress the stand, push the moving arm towards the inside and close the dial. If you have a 12, 15 or 20mm hub, use the 1689.3 hub adapters. Once the wheel is installed into the training stand, bring the lateral indicator close to the rim. Once set, tighten the dial to lock it into position. The lateral indicator can also be used as a radial indicator to check if the wheel is properly round. Set the indicator underneath the rim and tighten the dial. Spinning the wheel, you will be able to check if the wheel is round or not. To check and aid rotor training, the rotor training gauge 1689.2 can be added to the portable training stand. It is functional, it is foldable, and it's definitely bomb-proof. It's got everything you need if you want to true your own wheels. Alright, thanks for watching. I'll see you next time.